everybody, and welcome back to another vlog. I'm so tired right now. I literally still have my glasses on from class. This week was just really hard. I had to test in literally every class. I had a test today as well as a quiz, and I also have to write my paper tonight. So this week was just really stressful. I'm just doing another vlog this week, a little day in my life, week in my life. Just showing you guys what college is like, and yeah, this is my outfit that I'm wearing today. I just got these sweats, super chill and casual. I've also actually been doing a lot of online shopping lately, so comment down below if you guys would want to see like a haul on that or something. I don't know. I feel like my style here is very different versus when I'm at home, so I've just been trying to get like some good basic pieces for when I'm at school, just like things I can rewear but are also like still cute and stylish. But anyways, I don't really know what the rest of my plan is for the day, but I'll keep you guys updated, of course. There's also a party tonight, so maybe I'll go to that and maybe actually get ready with you guys and bring you with me. Guess who it is?
Hey!
I'm dying.
What does Barbie say? Hey!
Well,
Hey, Barbie, let's go party.
yeah, hey Barbie, let's go party.
Hey,
I
Barbie,
think.
let's go party. Set.
Yeah, oh, by the way, Bailey's on set. That's why
Yeah.
she's,
Can you imagine if I was like, no, this is just
this
me.
is just normal, casual, very casual.
What's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Wow. Everyone
so much for
subscribe.
tuning
We're gonna go get food right
I
now.
look scary. Really tan in this light.
Wait, I want to be that tan. Where'd you
This-
go?
Rhonda, no fry
Rhonda.
zone. Bloomington, Indiana. This is a promotional message. No, actually not a
Rhonda.
promotional message.
We're going to class after this, and she fully forgot her backpack.
I'm so dumb.
Priority.
I just want my coffee.
Mobile orders are where it's at.
Did you ever consider adding like
Get the grande cold brew with vanilla and almond milk. The best drink ever. The egg white bites. I've never had one.
what?
No, I've literally never had one. They're so good. So it's around 8 o'clock right now. I think I'm gonna start getting ready and do a little bit of makeup and hopefully be at the sorority house at like 9:30. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna use is this SK2 moisturizing cream. I'm gonna just put this everywhere. This just feels so good on your skin. Look how glowy that just made my skin look. I'm obsessed with that. Okay, I'm gonna use a little bit of this Charlotte Tilbury Light Wonder foundation, kind of like more of a CC cream, I feel like. And this is in the shade medium 6. And I just do this because my neck's kind of a different color than my face from leftover like fake tan. So this is what I use. Just gonna blend this all in. I'm gonna use a little bit of this Chanel Tan de Soleil just to give myself a little color. Just a little on the neck. Hi! I'm also going to use a little bit of this Clinique Chubby Stick. Warm up the face a little more and then just blend this out. I'm going to use a little bit of concealer. This is the YSL pen. I use this all the time. Also, this is in the shade 2.5. I'm going to use a brush under my eyes just for a little more coverage. I'm going to set my face with this Laura Mercier powder. I've also had this forever. I'm gonna do a little under my eyes. Let's do a little more bronzer. I'm gonna take the Charlotte Tilbury little duo I have and just use the bronzer side and put a little on my eyes. Just quickly want to do this. I'm actually gonna take that same bronzer and do a little on the bottom. I'm gonna use a little bit of this Fenty Beauty highlight, and this is in the shade Hustler Baby. I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows a little bit. Once I start this, I can never stop. A little bit of eyeliner now. I'm just gonna do a little bit on like the outer half of my eye. Wait, I just did that without looking in the mirror. I should not try it again. I'm not gonna jinx myself. I think I'm gonna also put a little on like the outer half of my waterline too. Okay, gonna curl up my lashes. I'm gonna use a little bit of Better Than Sex mascara. Okay, and I think I'm done. Actually, no, sorry, lip liner, I lied. This is my go-to. It's the Hourglass lip liner, and it's in the shade Eden. And I think that's it. This is the makeup look for the party. And yeah. Welcome to the Alpha Phi bathroom.
It's honestly really nice.
It's so nice, guys.
Very light and chic, you know.
It's the best, obviously. Soph is back.
I'm back and better, baby.
She's back.
Let's do it, okay. Am I ready? Let's do it. Oh my god! Okay, we're ready. What did you say? Vlog season. Vlog. Are we getting over?
Yeah, we are! Okay. Just got back from class. It's also obviously a new day today. I'm also really sorry for how completely random this vlog is. I feel like for this weekly vlog, I've been wanting to show you guys a little bit more of like a natural side of it and just like a little more behind the scenes effects of college and like what my life here looks like. You guys also met a bunch of my friends in this vlog. I never really show my friends, my best friends on here, just because I know not everyone loves having a camera in their face and it's kind of annoying sometimes, but I want to show you guys them and I want you guys to meet them because they're my favorites. Also, while we're on this whole topic, I just want to say something because I know I'm gonna get a ton of comments about it because I got a ton of comments on last year's videos when I did videos like this. I know in this vlog it was like primarily me going out and getting ready to go out and with all my friends and we were all going out and stuff like that, and so with that being said, school is so important to me. It's obviously the reason why I'm here. I'm here to learn. I love my classes. I love everything about my school. Literally school's biggest advocate. I also only really show me going out because I feel like that's what you guys want to watch. If it's not, comment down below what you guys want to watch. If you guys want to see like more in school or in my lectures. I think I showed you guys a couple clips from my lectures this morning, I think, but comment down below if you guys want to see like more into that or more into like how I study or how I like stay organized and maybe like a dedicated video on that, or I don't even know. Just comment down below what you guys want to see. Anyways, I don't really know what the rest of the plan is for today. I actually have a paper to write, so I'm gonna go do that now, I think, so I can get that done with, and I'll talk to you guys after. Okay, I just finished writing my paper. I'm literally so tired. But anyways, I think I'm gonna make a little bit of dinner right now. I'm so hungry. Maybe I'll make some pasta. That sounds really good. So let's go do that, and yeah. Our water is boiling. Crazy stuff's happening, guys. Wait, you're right, it was. Dinner is served.
So now we mixed it and I put a timer on. I don't know if it's recording.
Is it red?
Yeah. Okay. Hey guys. Guys, it's Paige Mills. So now we just finished making dinner, which we make dinner every night. Now okay. So we're gonna put this stuff. Okay. Oh my god, this is why I'm not a YouTuber.
Okay, so I just finished editing this video and I realized I don't have an outro. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Here's my roommate.
No!
Drum roll. My roommate, everyone. Oh, chocolate.